Diligent maintenance costs time and money, but it's an essential investment to keep your mining operation productive around the clock. We've bundled key loose parts into practical endurance kits and repair kits for your specific rock drill requirements to help you standardize maintenance work and avoid costly unplanned downtime. With original Sandvik parts, you can always count on close tolerances, top drilling accuracy, reliable performance and endurance, details that drive your productivity. You'll maximize runtime and unlock your full drilling potential with our high-performance kits. Easily exchange all worn parts required during a specific functional repair to minimize your maintenance efforts and ensure stable performance. By exchanging all parts at once, you can prevent future individual part failures and save money. A key component is the piston. High precision and maximum effect require an excellent surface finish. If you've worked with Sandvik before, you know that we pay close attention to detail. Our endurance kits and repair kits are no exception. Every part is carefully tested, and we've conducted thorough simulations of the entire setup to ensure alignment and stress resistance. Our endurance kits are designed to extend your service intervals by up to 50%, containing all parts that should be replaced during every standard rock drill service. You'll always count on stable, reliable performance that reduces your total costs. Our repair kits are customized for various functional aspects of rock drill maintenance. The percussion kit, for example, minimizes cavitation and maintains frequency and power longer into a service interval, while the rotation kit ensures alignment and reliability in smoothly delivering torque to the bit to efficiently break rock. Our body kit replaces your rock drill body parts with original materials and delivers accurate alignment and positioning of key parts to deliver efficiency and performance. By carefully examining maintenance requirements and grouping them into important areas, we've developed kits to cover a comprehensive range of rock drill models. Count on our endurance kits and repair kits to minimize your unplanned downtime and increase your drilling productivity.